Okay, so quick test. I don't know if I told you this, but I ordered HDF that then turned out to be 740 kilos per cubic. That's a disaster, of course. I mean, that's less than MDF plus. This is regular MDF. So I had to reorder, and it's quite expensive ordering just one or two sheets out of these big sizes. So I ordered. That's what I ordered. And right now, this one is on the table. It's HDF, and it's supposed to be 850, which is like the max you're gonna reach with MDF plus or equivalent. The entire table, 4x8 basically, is open, 2.5 meters by 125. And I mean, it's good. The hold on is about the same, even though I removed these sheets. Of course, it's leaking everywhere else, but I mean, it's quite okay. I could probably, if this was just one piece and it was on here like this, ramping down with onion skin, this would still be there. So that's definitely a good thing. Of course, I can't move that one. I can move this, but you know, it's okay. It's not super awesome, but it's definitely better the higher density I go. So I'm gonna replace this one with the other one, that is this one, fukttrög. It means that it's for outside. It's difficult for moisture to, you know, attack it. It's a little bit thicker, and the density is 970. So that's super interesting. I just hope it doesn't turn out to be completely non-air permeable, but we'll see. Be right back. Oh my god, boys. Oh yeah, I was right. This is amazing. Sure, maybe not 1000%, but very close. I mean, entire table is open, so it's leaking on the sides, leaking all the way around here. And I can just move this one. If I, you know, struggle, I can't do it unless I get a good grip. Of course, I'm gonna be able to move this, but it's on there good enough, so I could even work on this as it is. I just know that if I had even higher density, would it be on there even more? This is 970 instead of 850 kilos per cubic. I can't move this. What happens is, since it's so much lower flow through this, if this is not flat, perfectly flat, then you know, it's not going to be on there at all. But once it is, that is awesome. Best yet, definitely best yet. And if I zone it, then oh my god, that's gonna be good. Yes. Okay, so with that sheet, maximum restriction basically, well, the table was a bit open. It's still, I mean, it's still flowing a lot. So yeah, we could probably go even higher density. I don't know if you can see this, but me moving this is notchy. It's like bum, 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 bum. And what that is because these, when it's like this, the hold on is a lot worse than it is like this. So it goes cook, 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 cook. So I'm gonna need to cut in like a bald end mill going like this, because the sheet is so thin now that it doesn't distribute the vacuum as good. But I have the entire table almost covered except this, and it's really good. Oh, it's really good. Yeah. Turns out there's mold.